ready for that snow coming. Harmony, it's about to snow. It's about to snow. Good evening, good morning, good night. Whatever time you're watching the video. What's up, YouTube? Yeah. Sorry we ain't been dropping every day, but we ain't really had much content going on. Truck dirty. Real dirty. Super dirty. We got some snow coming in tonight, tomorrow in Tennessee. So yeah, about to get some Raisin Canes. Probably gonna pick up some salt. Yeah, I'm gonna pick up some Raisin Canes. We'll pick up some salt. Salt the driveway. Yeah, she looking real good. Snow about to come. Back this thing up so she ain't gotta get into the yard over here. The truck is so dirty. We're gonna wash it after the snow comes though. So we got a video coming for that. Y'all comment, like, subscribe, share the video. I appreciate everybody supporting the channel. We gotta get the subs up. About to drop more content for y'all. We got more content on the way, don't you worry. Yes, sirski. Got salt already on the side step. And they don't even ride out. That's from them just sitting up underneath the wheel, underneath the truck. Get the heated seat on. Heated steering wheel. Yes, sirski. We had it on remote start. Let's go ahead and crank it up. Yes, sir. Gas pedal's going crazy. Y'all let me know what y'all think about the gas pedals. They're dirty, I'm gonna have to clean the whole truck. So y'all let me know what you think about them. You got your heated seat on? You got your heated seat on?
What?
You got your AirPods in.
What'd you say?
You got your heated seat on?
Yeah.
I bet. I can already tell there's about to be traffic everywhere. There's about to be a line all the way around the building. I'm already knowing. Traffic at the red light. This is crazy, man. I'm going left. I don't know what y'all are doing. Here comes all the traffic. Moment of truth, man. Moment of truth. See, these boys is packed. It don't look that bad, actually. I can't lie. Really don't look that bad. Kid got the AirPods in the back. She going crazy back there. Look at that. Oh no! Look at that sunset. Crazy. Yeah, it's not even packed. Oh yeah, we about to pull right up Mortar, dog. We're not even playing. We're not playing. Dude, look at all this salt though. They done salted. They salted the piss out of this.
What?
Look at all the salt. They done salted the drive-through like crazy. The snow is coming. About to get our order again. Oh crap. Got that bag secure. Look at that sunset. Sunset going crazy. Yeah, I'm about to smack. Me and the kiddo about to smack. Gas pedal going crazy. Told y'all that snow was coming. Snowy day in Knoxville, Tennessee. Good morning, YouTube. Baby got her first snow. Pretty thick. I ain't got my keys on me right now. Let the dogs out. Y'all hurry up, go outside. Go outside, boy. Doja, hurry up. She loves the snow. Hurry up, Gypsy, go outside. Yep, baby getting her first snow bath. About to go in here, get the keys. Get this thing fired up. Go in here, get the keys, get it fired up. She's taking her a nice dump in the snow. Big 4x4. About to put that 4x4 to work today. See what she talking about in the snow. Catch y'all in a minute. Really not that much snow though. We've had more snow. Snow looks like it's been melted a little bit. Maybe not. Cold start. We'll let this thing warm up. Snow off, back it up. About to hit the Chick-fil-A. Yes, sir. What's going on? About to hit the Chick-fil-A. Get in here and make sure to turn the heat on and stuff for catch on in just a minute. Gotta get that heat on. Snow everywhere. Snow got in my seat down there. Turn the heat up in here. I'm gonna catch y'all in just a second when I let this ice melt off. Gotta get the heat going. Kinda looks pretty crazy though. Looks like my windshield shattered, but it ain't. Just got like that ice on there. If you look close, I don't know if y'all can see in the camera. See it actually melt. Wondering what happened if I hit my blades right now. Oh. Go. Just like that. Get the snow off. Let it warm up just for about another minute or two, and then we're gonna back on up. Big Ram truck. Ram Laramie. Know what's going on. Alright, gotta turn around. Oh, that snow just fell out on me. Let's see it too. Stainless steel gas pedals, brake pedal. First time in the snow right here. Big 4x4. 4x4. Series plate 4x4 by Travis Scott. You know what's going on. Big Ram truck, first time in the snow. 4-wheel drive activated. It ain't even a heavy snow, so it's a good little first snow for her. Big Hemi. Turn my fog lights on. There we go, I got them on now. Ride with the lights on. Big Ram truck. Oh, it's so cold out here. Yes, sir. Yeah, let's go. This ain't nothing. 4-wheel drive in the snow. Snow vibes. Snow on the moon roof. Let's give a passenger view. Look at all that solid there. We missed that here. Grab the camera. Just record the road. Yeah, it's still good. Out there in the snow. Whew, I know you're cold. Yeah, it ain't bad, but it's a good first snow to get the truck out in it. This dude's riding on the wrong side of the road. this car pulling a couple of Teslas. And a hypercharger. Huh. That's pretty cool. We're actually about to grab some Chick-fil-A and go over to that Tesla place and eat. And I'm gonna take a little video about the Cybertrucks over there. I really think my truck is better than the Cybertruck, but I'm gonna do a side by side. I've never drove the Cybertruck before. I can't afford it. I could have probably afforded the base model, but I wasn't trying to get one unless I'm getting a Hyper Beast or something. But still, electric. I'm not messing with electric. Y'all let me know in the comments. Y'all messing with electric or nah? We're about to head over here to this Chick-fil-A though. See if they open. Catch y'all in just a minute. We got the Chick-fil-A. There's people here. Harmony, you want some Chick-fil-A?
No.
You sure?
Yeah.
I'll get you something sweet later. Or let you have some of my ice cream I got last night. Catch y'all in a minute. Man, that was so quick. I'm about to head back over here to the mall over here by the Tesla dealer. I'm gonna eat some Chick-fil-A by the Cybertruck. I'm gonna do a little video by the Cybertruck for y'all. A little comparison. Based on the exterior. We in 4-wheel drive though, ain't a thing out here. Ain't a problem out here. Gotta get some gas after we get some food though. Or after we eat the food. Cybertruck's lined up. Looks like they ain't selling. About to eat this Chick-fil-A though real quick. Yes, it's going down. It's going down at the Tesla dealer. About to smack. I'm about to pull up right next to that Tesla truck right there. See what they talking about side by side. In a 4x4. All right, I just ate my Chick-fil-A. Cybertruck. Ram truck. I can't even lie to you. Ram truck all day. Ram truck all day long. The Cybertruck is exotic. The interior is just so simple. You can't even see it. I'm gonna have to come out here on a clear day. The tires and stuff like that, I mean, it kind of looks exotic. The different cut in the fender or whatever. They got the mirrors folded in. I like the front light bar at night. It's like the only thing in the ambient lighting inside. But they got these things lined up all the way down. They got more down there. Teslas everywhere. I don't know, man. Ram truck all day. Y'all let me know in the comments. Y'all going with the Ram? Or y'all going with the Cybertruck? If y'all had to choose one, Ram or Cybertruck, let me know in the comments. Like, comment, subscribe. Share the video. We out here in the snow with it. About to get on the interstate with it. Oh, I got snow flying off everywhere back there in the back. Catch y'all in a minute though, we gotta get off right here. We're here, we about to get some gas. I'll let y'all know what. We ain't fully on empty. I'm gonna let y'all know how much it costs. I think last time it was like 47 or something. I might actually cut the car off this time, cut the truck off this time. 252.
Everything okay?
I'll let y'all know. This thing filled up. I'll walk around at the gas station. All the snow, I done got it blown off, melted off. A little bit on the back gator. Dirty though. Gotta clean this thing up. Somebody in a big Ram truck pulling off. $47 and some change. That's what I said. Hold on, we're gonna pump this a little bit more. 49. $48. They got Amazon out here. Moorroof melted. back. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Y'all comment, like, subscribe, share the video. Country vlogs. We out. We'll be back tomorrow with another vlog. Maybe the next day. She's in there letting the dogs out. They about to go crazy. Yeah. I'm going with the Ram truck all day over the Cybertruck. I really just can't get with the electric cars, but the Cybertruck is crazy though. The Cybertruck is crazy. With that big Hemi, it's something else. We gotta get back out later to get her actually, so I'm not gonna upload this just yet. We'll catch y'all later. Y'all let me know in the comments. Ram truck or the Cybertruck? Got y'all in a little bit. Time to go get the female. Late night run too to the Raising Cane's, you already know. Time to go get the female. That puddle light going crazy. 2024 Dodge Ram Laramie. Custom ambient lighting kit. Ooh, my steps are slick. If you watch, connected to the Apple CarPlay. We about to be en route. I'm gonna catch y'all when we get on the road. Crank the heat up. You got your heated seat on back there? No. Turn your heated seat on. Okay. We in 4-wheel drive.
What?
It's 27 degrees. I think it's colder than that though.
Charger in that car?
K1 Speed. I don't know if y'all have ever seen or heard of that, but that's a new indoor go-kart racing place.
Okay. So now you go like this. You press down on there. You press down on your home screen. It gives you the option to unlock it.
You're still in 4-wheel drive. Don't even need to be really, but
And then you go your live
I'm just riding in
photos.
4-wheel drive today.
And then you go to all. And then you press this.
Damn route though. Did you not bring your charger? iPad about that?
It's dead.
Oh man. Well, we're almost there to get her. We'll be back on. Pick my Raising Cane's up. You want some Raising Cane's?
Yes.
Do you?
Yes.
Okay. I got you.
They give me the sauce this time.
Yeah, I'll make sure to tell him. They didn't give her no sauce yesterday. We got it yesterday, didn't we? That's gonna be in the same video today. We got Raising Cane's back to back. My truck had its first snow today. Something light, a light snow. We got it out in the snow. We've been riding in 4-wheel drive all day. It's pretty fire. You warmed up back there?
Just
Is that ice? See the sign up there? We're going to the famous Raising Cane's. Let me get off here, make sure the police ain't directing traffic. The line don't look bad either because the snow got everybody scared to come out. The Raising Cane's. Which one? Oh yeah, the Lilo and Stitch. Yeah, we did. We seen that. That's crazy.
and I was in my stitch.
I have no idea. I know that we're next up to pay, and then we're about to get our food. I'm hungry. You hungry?
Yes,
At the Raising Cane's back to back. Ate it yesterday, came right back, double back on them. Just like that. What was it called? Jim Nick's Barbecue?
yeah.
Yeah, we gotta hit that place up. I know one thing, we got that bag secured over here.
Me too. I know that too.
She didn't even want any. Finna get my female. My baby girl. Don't get on me. You're trying to get on my helmet army.
I'm trying to put my straw in my drink.
Don't spill that. Do not spill that. Y'all comment, like, subscribe, share the video. Country vlogs out. First day in the snow. Appreciate the support. We out.